So guys, let's just do a quick recap on daily on GJ. Okay, so you guys can understand how I see the FX pairs on liquidity grabs as well. Okay, so daily time frame. Okay, as you can guys see, um, you can see that the previous daily candle was bullish. Okay, so I'm not entering on a sell position. Let's draw a candle that is sell. Okay, I'm not entering on a sell position unless I have a first sell candle. Okay, for me to enter on a sell, I have to expect this. Okay, previous daily candle bearish, and then we enter on sales positions on GJ or any FX pairs. Okay, that's what I told yesterday. I would expect for me to the price close on a bearish daily candle, and then I will enter on sales. But yet we have seen that GJ made a new bullish daily candle. Okay, and then we seen this kind of price action happening, and this is a daily time frame. Okay, and the price opens here, and then we have as a down move, and then we expand to the higher. Okay, this so far that you guys know this, but my entry on has to be on this. Okay, on the week that we left on the daily to go target to the upside. Okay, but I have to wait and see the price bring sellers to the table to then trap them on the way up. Okay, I'm going to explain in a minute. Okay, like all I wanted to see is like, okay, I position myself, if you guys can see, I position myself on the wick of the daily candle to expand higher on the day. Okay, maybe this can happen on London, or maybe this can happen on New York session, who knows. Okay, but for me to enter, I have to see this. Let's go grab one hour time frame. Okay, and I'm going to delete this. Okay, and for me to sell this, like I told on the previous video, I would have sell above this price. Okay, the price didn't even come close to this. Okay, so let's forget it. Let's push the price back again. Okay, and as you guys can see, the previous daily high here. Yeah, though sorry, daily, let's mark up daily, previous daily high. Okay, previous daily high, let's mark up here, previous daily low. Let's label this previous daily high. Okay, let's pass down to the one hour time frame. Okay, our previous daily high is here. Sorry. So okay, this is what I see here. Okay, if to me to for me to buy again, I have to look at the previous daily price action and go therefore. Okay, in 1 hour we have this sweep. Let me put this right here. We have this low that got taken out and then we move up, so that tells me that this here has no liquidity. Okay, and then we move forward. This low, this high respected this low, so we can have liquidity here. Okay, and then we move forward. We made a new high that respected this previous low, and then we have liquidity. So as you guys can see here, we have this sweep of the previous low, and then we move up again. So for me, there's no liquidity for the time being. Okay, no liquidity here, so we could expect a possible reversion here, a possible reversion from these 2 points. Okay, let's delete this. No liquidity. Now this is a point of interest, POI, and then this one as well. Sorry, POI. Okay, let's push the price again. Let's look at the price again. We have this high that respected this high respected this high, this lower high, and move forwards. And then in the end of the day, we have target this previous low, and then we move forward. So no reversals from here. For me, the POI from the next session or the next day has to be this two. Okay, or if we break this price, if we break this, then we can possibly have a point of interest here and then a point of interest here. But if we reject this price here and go down again, for me it's not a trading day. Okay, I have to see a reversal on these points of interest that we marked out. Okay, because we have this low that got swept, so that tells me that traders enter the market getting this liquidity from this low, and then we move up. Okay, let's push the price forward. Okay, we have beginning of New York, and then we have a reversal here. Let's see what happens. Okay, as you can see, okay, the price went up and did not in 1 hour we came close to our POI. If we push down to the 30-minute time frames, what you guys can see is this again. We got this sweep of this previous lows, and then we have this low that respected this previous sweep. So that for me is a POI. Okay, that's a point of interest for reversals on the price. Okay, and as you guys can see, the candle from the daily, we have the midnight open here. Okay, the price did this and then came down, creating a wick for us to enter and then move up. Okay, so soon as the price, let me push this back again, soon as the price gets or tap RPOI, I push down to the 5 minutes. Okay, or even lower to the 1 minute, and all I wanted to see is price creating this. Okay, we start to getting low volume, creating a big candle to the downside, and then we created here an inverted fair value gap. Okay, and I have to see this type of candle, an engulfing candle, and a break of our previous engulfing inverted fair value gap, and then I put my price here, my position here, and let's see if we tap the previous inverted fair value gap, and then let's see what the price this does. My possible targets is this. First target, to go break even on the trade. Then we have this possible target, and then this target is partials, okay, and then we have our full take profit. Full take profit, okay. This is my position on GJ, okay. And as you guys know, GJ as knows as the FX pair that in a single day that can do this, okay. The price that does 115 in 50 pips. So why don't we can target as well in the next day? 150, okay. And let's see what the price does, okay. We got a little down draw, and then the price hits our break even, partials, and then if you want, then go with the flow and put stops at here. You can do that and extend your profits to 200 pips. That's a lot, but GJ knows as the pair that does that. Okay, we are in profit. We soon as the move, break even, SCL at profit, and then as you guys can see, the price ends up targeting our full take profits. And in the next day we have an extended price, and then we are reversal, creating liquidity for the next days, okay. We are leaving this liquidity for the next days, okay. Could possibly continue to go up or go grab these liquidities to the downside, who knows. But this is the way I enter on the trade. So hope you guys enjoy it, and see you soon.